Good morning and welcome children to your virtual class of English. So you all know that we have been doing our unit 4 prepositions of practice book. Now let's start doing this worksheet 6. Discuss with your partner how the people mentioned below would have traveled. Then choose one phrase from the aid box to fill in the blanks. And now children, in this aid box some phrases are given. Let me tell you what a phrase is. Children, phrase is only a group of words which makes some sense but not complete sense. So these phrases are not complete in the sense but they make some sense. Okay, you can see that these phrases don't have subject. Okay, so these are phrases. These are just groups of words, okay, not making complete sense. So these are phrases, and from this aid box you have to choose the correct option to write here, choose the correct phrase to write in these fill-ups. So let's start doing this worksheet, children. Now see the first one. When the president of the India went to the neighboring country, he traveled by air. So in this fill-up you will write these group of words: by air or by plane. You can write by plane or by air. The Stone Age man would have moved from one place to another on foot, children, because at the time of Stone Age there were no means of traveling, children. Okay, so they had to go from one place to another on foot. Vasco da Gama went on a sea voyage on a ship. Okay, but Neil Armstrong went into the space in a spacecraft. The fourth one is the postman goes on a bicycle to deliver letters. On a bicycle. Okay, the fifth one is most people who travel Delhi to Haridwar travel by bus. Most of the people who travel from Delhi to Haridwar travel by bus. All the celebrities went to the inaugural function venue by car. By car. In sixth fill-up you will write by car. The seventh one is my elder brother went to his college on a motorbike. On a motorbike. So all these words which we have filled in the fill-ups, children, these all are phrases. These all are just group of words which makes some sense but not complete sense as a sentence makes. Now children, on next page we have been given do it yourself. The first part of do it yourself is, let's read this statement. The passage given below has not been edited. There is one error in each line. Underline the error and write the correct word in the space provided as shown in the first line. So children, there is one error in each line, like one has been done for you. In this sentence the error is off. Okay, so this preposition which is given in the sentence, this is wrong. In place of incorrect preposition, children, you have to write correct preposition in this given fill up in front of the statement. In front of each statement this space has been provided, and you need to underline the wrong preposition from each sentence and then write the correct preposition which should come in these sentences in front of the given sentences. So let's start doing this. Now see children, Anita was looking out at her window. So in this sentence at is wrong, so you need to underline at like I have done, and in front of this sentence you need to write the correct preposition which should come in this sentence, of. Off. Next one is she saw a stranger at the street. In the street. He was looking to a new car, at a new car. Because with look or looking, we always use at preposition. He tried at force, open the front. At is wrong preposition. So, tried to force. To is the correct preposition. Windows in the car, but he did. Windows of the car. Windows of the car. OF off. Not succeed. Anita called out in him, but he did not look up. Called out on him. So here in this fill up, children, you need to write on, okay? Because in preposition is wrong. So that's all for today. Thank you, and please do revise whatever we have done today, worksheet 6 and part 1 of Do It Yourself. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a wonderful day.